I'm responsible here for providing leadership and clinical management for our clinical teams here at the Cancer Trials Centre, both here at Weston Park Hospital and our haematology team at the Hallamshire Hospital. Part of that role, so it's ensuring that the trials we work on, the research we do is at a really high standard. The care we give our patients is the optimal care that we give, and making sure that research is available, that trials are available for all cancer patients across our region. So we've had a really close relationship with the Cancer Charity ever since the centre's opened, so back in I think 1999 when it opened, because of significant charitable funding that we received from both the charity and others, and it's really helped us in all the work we do, really, with supporting the research, supporting the staff. So the charity helps fund both my role and 7 almost research nursing roles, and these nurses provide exceptional care for our research patients going on to clinical trials. It's the work that we do both now and in the future, which is why I think it's such a special relationship that we have. I've worked here at the Cancer Trials Centre for the last almost 17 years, and so I started as a research nurse working in the rare tumours and lung cancer team, and over the years, so since then obviously I've gone on to become the team lead for rare tumours and lung cancer, and then the matron in the last couple of years. But I've seen so much progress. When I first came here 17 years ago almost, there just wasn't very much treatment for certain disease areas, especially within rare tumours, and then coming on to today where we're having patients who are living longer because of the research, where the research trials and treatments have gone on to becoming standard care and therapies and for patients, and I think that's just amazing for me. So at the Cancer Trials Centre, we're working on a number of amazing, research and clinical trials on a different sort of disease site areas, from thinking about from novel cell therapies in haematology cancers to first-in-man drugs being developed and researched in early phase trials, to also thinking about the early detection and screening trials that we're doing in urology cancers. So I think some of the things that are coming up in the future, lots of screening trials. So we've got a massive screening study coming through in the next few years where we're hoping to screen almost 60,000 or more patients and make it available to as many patients in Sheffield and beyond who would not otherwise be able to access these opportunities. And I think these studies would lead to patients being diagnosed earlier, cancer being detected earlier, and then therefore treated. I firmly believe that the clinical research trials of today that we work on are tomorrow's treatment and future care for patients, and it's absolutely imperative that we carry on doing research. I think thinking about somebody leaving a gift in their will, I'd be thinking about the fantastic work that the charity does with us, with so many others, to help patients have access to these treatments both now and in the future. When cancer changes everything, so can we.